Guys, these air freshener you guys could put in the cars when you wash them, and then you could refill them. These are some good air freshener. I want to have in my car something similar to these. And you clip them on the air vent, and then when the wind comes, it works very well. See? Walmart got a lot of stuff in here you can use in your mobile detailing setup. See all the different brands. Also guys, check this out. See that? Nice. Look at that Walmart. This one, $8.99. This one, $14.99. Voila, you got a setup. Chemical guy right here. Look at this. The kit. You can get the kit at Walmart to detail your car. See the price? Very good.